guys, me back. Hey, I know in the past 2 weeks I didn't make any cooking video, but I need to study. Then I have good grades. Can you believe me? I have a 1 on my exam. It was a math or a German exam, but I passed. Are you happy? I'm happy. Today we're going to make cocoa fried rice. So we have 2 vegetables. I like this one too, but I like this one even more. It has broccoli, my favorite. Yeah, they're white broccoli. I like white broccoli. I like carrots. Do you like them too? And this one, I think they grow on farms because they have corn. Corn is healthy, green beans and carrots. Okay, let's say we have shrimps. Do you like shrimps? I like shrimps. They come from good oceans, but you need to boil them, not eat them like that. We have chicken. Do you like chicken? I like chicken too. We just need to cut it and then boil it into the pot. Ha ha ha! I know, sounds wicked, but we need to eat chicken. I mean, who doesn't like chicken? By the way, chicken lay eggs. We have onions. We need to cut them and then put them in here, in the rice boiler. Third, we have tomato. We just need to take 1 slice. My favorite part, this is President rice. Do you know what it does? When you boil it, but it's living for itself. See, even though I'm joining them, it's not going join. See? Even though I'm forcing it, it's only leaving alone. We have more. Do you know what this is, my guys? This is cocoa-beagle. But in the Western world, they call it champignons. Little funny though, but I like it to call cocoa-beagle because my mother comes from Cameroon, and then we dance cocoa-beagle. We have salt. I already say we need emeralds. It have little salt though. We need spoon and a sharp purple knife. So that's we need water. Heavy water pot is good to clean the rice because who does put rice inside a pot before cleaning it? Who does that? Good. That's all what we need to make coconut fried rice. We're going to start right now. First thing first, we are going to put 4 cups of rice, and this is President rice. Very sweet when you boil it, even when you fry it. 1, 2 more cups. Oh, this is for 1. 2, 3, 1 cup left. 4. Good. Now we have made 4 cups. Now let's see if our water has boiled really. This will do. First, we will wash our rice. First, let me remove the handkerchief because I need to open the water. 1, 2. Wait until the water is warm and ta-da! So put warm water. Time to up it. Time. Good. Now we will just mix. I will mine with 2 hands, but I like to make it with 1 hand. Now, just mix it like this. Time to remove the dirty water. See the dirty water? Time to hold it like this. Come here, rice. Good. Time to put our water inside the hot water. To put our rice inside. Time, just put it like this. Wow! Just to cover it, cover. Whew. We need to let our rice to cook 10 minutes. And then now we'll just cut our remaining ingredients. Good. I have 1 more chicken to cut. Yeah, chicken is healthy too. Let's cut this part. Now just for this. Now we need to cut our onions. So yeah. Our champignons. I just need to remove the cover with my hand. And you know champignons, some champignons are poison. Some are very healthy. Which one? This one. So I need to cut it like this, right? Oh, that didn't went out. I'm gonna just cut it like this. Oh, just to throw this. This one. Wow, there's so much champignons. But how about your school? What do you do there? Do you learn a lot of things? My favorite subject is math, sport, and German. But my favorite is English. I'm always the backup teacher. Yeah, because I know English and I'm speaking so good. And I need to open a rice. Look how many bubbles! Bubble. Let me just cut 1 more, not 2 more. 1, good. This is the last one, so there. We are finished with our preparation. As you can see, our rice is well done. We have our coconut oil. We have our chicken. I washed it. We have our champignons. It's clean. We have our shrimps. Do you like shrimps? Me too. Our green onions and onions, because the green onions is down the onion. Time to put our coconut oil. First, let me on the fire by 4. Oh no! Okay, time to put it. You need to add force. That's much. But let me just take my hand. Good. See, it's melting. Time. I just put. And we put our chicken. Our chicken. Let's put the champignons. Champignons. Just put them. Don't be shy. Oh, I think it's time to hide the fire. Good. But choose a way. Just to mix it a little. Time to put our onion. Now for our shrimp. I like it in. Time to turn it.